lecture of a series of lectures where I will be teaching you how to read and write Thai. Before I begin this lesson proper, I would first like to say a few words. Ever since starting on this project teaching Thai writing, I have received a lot of interest and support from my friends. And some of them have even given me feedback on the past editions of the lecture notes and videos. So thank you very much for your support and invaluable feedback. The second thing is, do join my Google Classroom where I will be posting all the lecture videos, lecture notes, and the tutorials, as well as the solutions to the tutorials. So the way to join the Google Classroom is to go to Google, is to go to classroom.google.com, all right, and then you click on this plus here and press join class, and then you just key in the class code, which is xeeoywd, like that. Wait a minute. So after keying the class code, you will come to this site, this classroom, and this is where I will post my notes in PDF file as well as the lecture videos. So this video is actually an old video that is 1 hour long, and now I'm re-recording the video based on some feedback I received. Apart from this, what else is there? There's also the tutorial where you can access the file in PDF. All right, this is in PDF, and then you can open it using like Microsoft Edge, which is a browser. Okay, this Microsoft Edge has this feature where you can add notes. So suppose you click on this, you can then write on the PDF file and answer the question. So for example, you got to choose one of these answers, right? You can use add notes, choose ballpoint pen, ballpoint pen, and then you can answer the question. You can write your answers even, all right? So this is Google Classroom. And then after you finish the tutorial, you can submit it. And then I will give you the solutions, like over here, the solutions. It's a video. I might remake this, okay? So I guess we can now begin the lesson. So the first lesson is on the phonetic transcription of Thai. So we are not gonna learn how to write the Thai script yet, but we will learn how to transcribe the Thai sounds using the International Phonetic Alphabet, or the IPA for short. So these are the learning objectives of this lesson, the first lecture. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to recall the number of monophthongs and diphthongs in the Thai sound system. Okay, what are these? We will come to that later. And then you should be able to give examples of words in other languages like Mandarin, Hokkien, or whatever language that you know, containing those vowels. Okay, so next, you should be able to group together consonantal sounds based on their common phonetic properties, such as their place of articulation, the manner of articulation, and their aspiration. Again, we will talk about this in greater detail later. Next, you should be able to describe the differences between stop consonants, fricative consonants, and nasal consonants. Okay, and then also give examples of words in other languages containing those consonantal sounds. Next, you should be able to recall the number of lexical tones in Central Thai and their names used in conventional classes, which means the names that Thai lecturers teach students at the university. All right, and you should be able to indicate correctly the lexical tones using tone marks. And lastly, you should be able to state the original Thai names of the tones or their English translations. So these are the learning objectives of this lesson. So let us begin our lecture. So feel free to pause the video at any time if you want to read the notes. Okay, you should have a copy of the notes too. I hope you have downloaded it. If you haven't, just join the Google Classroom. You can join it for free and just download it for free. Okay. So as I've said, we are not going to learn how to write the Thai script yet, but we are going to learn how to transcribe the Thai sounds using the IPA, or the International Phonetic Alphabet. All right. So Thai is a tonal language. So for tonal language, when we want to transcribe the sounds, right, we need to transcribe three things. The first thing is the vowels. The second thing is the consonants. And then the third thing is the tones. Okay, so in this part, we'll talk about the vowels first. But before that, let me just clarify what I mean by Thai. What kind of Thai am I teaching you? All right. So Thai, like Chinese, has many different dialects. So the Chinese language has like Hokkien, Cantonese, Hainanese, Teochew, Hakka, etc., etc. Right? Thai is also a language that has many dialects. So for example, there are some major dialects such as Northern Thai, spoken in like Chiang Mai, right? Isan Thai, spoken in northeastern Thailand, and Southern Thai, spoken in like Hat Yai, for example, or Phuket. All right. So the Thai that we are talking about in this class and in Thai classes, or in all the universities, is the Central Thai dialect. Okay, the Central Thai dialect. We're learning the Central Thai dialect, right? So let's begin. Let's look at the vowels. So Thai has 9 monophthongs and 3 diphthongs. So a vowel can exist as a monophthong or a diphthong, right? What's a monophthong? Mono means one, right? Thong means like sound. Di means two, all right, 2 sounds. So a monophthong is like a single vowel sound. In phonetics, the single vowel sound is called the vowel quality. So vowels with different sounds are said to have different vowel qualities. So for example, the vowel A, E, they're all different, right? They sound different. These are all different vowel qualities, okay? So a monophthong is just one like vowel, whereas a diphthong is made up of 2 monophthongs. For example, this vowel here is a diphthong. I is composed of the monophthong A and the monophthong E. Okay, A and E. So Thai, Central Thai has 9 monophthongs. So the way we represent the 9 different sounds, the 9 monophthongs, is we use certain characters from the International Phonetic Alphabet. So you would be able to recognize these 5 characters, right? A, E, I, O, U, but they're not pronounced as A, E, I, O, U. Okay. And we also use 4 other characters, right? So let's go through each sound. The first vowel with the letter A is pronounced as ah. Okay, ah. Oh, by the way, if there's only one letter, it is a short vowel. If it's 2 letters, it's a long vowel. So this is pronounced as ah, ah. This is pronounced as ah, 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 ah. All right. Even though I wrote short vowels here, right? Let's just pronounce it as a long vowel so that we can hear the vowel quality more clearly. So the first vowel is ah, ah, like the vowel in the word fat, fat, ah, or the Chinese word, the Mandarin word ba, ba. The word ba uses the vowel ah, correct? Ah, ah. So the first one is ah. The next one, the letter E, is pronounced as a, a. So for example, the word don't keke, how are you? Keke, a. The vowel is a. All right, this is pronounced as a. Oh, by the way, if you know Korean, I'll just write the corresponding sounds in Korean. All right, for those who know Korean. So the vowel A is the same as this. The vowel A is the same as this A, okay? Next, this one is pronounced as E. E, like the word in the word meat or the Mandarin word E. This is pronounced as E. In Korean, it is written this way, right? Next is the O, the letter O, but it's pronounced as O. O, like the vowel in copy O, right? Next is U, like in the word moon, okay? U, A-E-I-O-U, A, E, O, U, okay? Next, we have this character here. So I wrote over here, this character here is actually the Greek letter called epsilon. So ep, this syllable here, right? The vowel is e, epsilon, e. So this is pronounced as e, like the word mad. Are you mad? E, okay? Or like aircon, the air conditioner, right? Next, this thing is known as the schwa, Okay, if you learn like linguistics, you phonetics especially, you'll probably come across this vowel. All right. So this is pronounced as like when you say I don't know, or when you pronounce like teacher. Okay. O is in Korean is this, right? And U is this thing. Let me rewrite it, something like this. Okay. Next, we have this thing here. This is pronounced as or, like in the word koko, or the word orange. Okay. In Korean, it is this character, if you know Korean. Or, and the last monophthong is so the Hokkien word for pig is tu, correct? Tu, we'll write tu this way. Tu, if we transcribe it, right? Tu, okay? Meat, this word meat, we will transcribe it this way. Meat, right? The long vowel. And final T, meat, okay? Meat. So let me repeat one more time. A, E, I, O, U, E, O, U. Okay, like tu ka, pig in Hokkien. So these are the monophthongs. Now we come to the diphthongs. So in Thai, I want you to pay attention. There are only 3 diphthongs. Okay, let me just emphasize this. 3 diphthongs. The diphthongs in Thai are ear, ua, and ear, ua. So one thing to note when you pronounce diphthongs is you need to pronounce both monophthongs in the diphthongs with the same amount of time. That means that, for example, let's look at Chinese, for example. So this word flower, right? We say hua, correct? Hua. But if you want to pronounce this in Thai, you will say hua. So the u, right, you pronounce it for like 1 second, and then the r also for 1 second, like hua. You cannot rush and say like hua. Okay, this is not the way to pronounce ua in Thai. And then you have ear. So let us look at some words containing the diphthong. So for example, ear, right? It is present in the word Chiang Mai. So when we transcribe Chiang Mai, we will write like that. Something is wrong. Wait a minute. Chiang Mai. Okay, never mind. But ear is in Chiang. Okay, Chiang. And then or if you have been to wait a minute. If you have been to Bangkok, right? You probably have been to this place called Hua Lamphong, right? Hua Lamphong. So the way we transcribe Hua Lamphong is like that. Hua Lamphong. All right, Hua Lamphong. Notice I don't say Hua Lamphong or Hua Lamphong. I say Hua Lamphong. Okay. So the main thing for diphthongs is pronounce both vowels with the equal time. Don't rush. So let me just repeat all the vowels, all these vowels in Thai one more time. So let's start from this one. Oh, by the way, if it's short, right? According to the pronunciation rules in Thai, if the vowel is short, we need to pronounce it with the low tone. The low tone. If it's if it's long, we pronounce it with the mid tone. So for example, this character here, we say E. We don't say E. We say E. Okay? E. E. U. 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 E. E. O. O. E. E. A. O. O. Okay? And the diphthongs, ear, ua. So that concludes the vowel part.